Hello friends, welcome to Code Digger. Today we are going to learn how to call a method or implement any functionality when we click outside a div or outside a pop-up. So let's get started. I am using app.component.html and app.component.ts for writing the code. I have two div elements. First, some text and second, some label. I have given the template reference variable txt and label for this. So if I run this code, it will look like this. I have to determine whether the user has clicked inside the some text div or outside. So first, for doing this, I need a view child to get all the DOM and native elements on the ts file side. Because we have to determine this the inside click or outside click for this txt element only. So for any click event or any event that occurs on the DOM side, we need a host listener to listen what the DOM side is telling us, the TS file, that what event is occurring on the DOM. What host listener is? Host listener is a decorator that declares DOM event to listen for and provide a handler method to run when that event occurs. So for that host listener, I have some code. I am copy pasting that code over here. This is the host listener. It takes two things: event name, this event name, what click event or any other event that occurs, and the second is the arguments. The arguments. This is a set of arguments that handler method takes the event which shows what event occurs. When you click, like we take an example of click, when you click, a click event is triggered. This event is actually an object containing information about the action that has happened. The event would have info such as coordinates of the click, like event.screenx or event.target, the element which you clicked, and much more it can have. So the clickout is the method. You can write any name, you can give any name over here. This is the handler method which returns. Here you can write any method or anything that you have to call. If this native element, this text, this native element contains the event or target, means this native what the event we have fired, if it occurs, if it is inside this native element, then it will on the console it will write clicked inside, else it will write click outside. So we run this code and we'll see what has happened. The files. I'm opening the developer tools to see whether it is clicked inside or clicked outside. So if I'm clicking here, it is clicked inside. If I'm clicking anywhere on this file, then the count is increasing for click outside. So it is showing that it has clicked outside. If I am clicking here, then it is clicked inside. So instead of clicking, I have shown that I have written console. You can call any method inside it, inside this. Or if there is any pop-up, then you can use that view child of that pop-up, native element of that pop-up, and template reference of that pop-up, sorry for that, and you can call the method inside this. You can use this code. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe Code Digger for interesting updates.